And then getting Abdul into foul trouble. So I think yun yung key nung lumabas si Abdul kung kami naggawa ng run. But again, I fully respect UST. I think they're a Final Four team. So it was really a big test for us coming to this game. We hope we could carry this over pagdating namin sa UAP season when we face it.
Whatever happens, you're facing a UAP finals last year. So
Yes, ano yata, Ateneo. Yeah.
Assessment on that.
Well, definitely whoever wins in that game will be a very, very tough game for us. So, yun naman ang gusto namin dito sa Philo. It's good that we are winning. Yeah, we're winning. But again, ang importante is we are learning. We are being toughened by the game. So, by playing Ateneo or FEU this Saturday, that means we're going to gain something from it.
Excited na ba yung team? Pipil na ba yung excitement?
Matagal na nilang nag-feel yung excitement eh. Sobrang gigil na sila eh. But alam namin matagal pa, but we don't. Ang importante, the players stay hungry and focused for the coming UAP.
Coach, can you talk about Rocky Guzman? I mean, paano siya sa team? How big is he?
He's value sa amin kasi provides us the offensive options also, but at the same time he's also one of our key stoppers. So since we really believe for us to win is we have to play defense, and tama-tama siya to fits right into our system kasi he's a good defensive player.
Hindi naman pagod yung mga players.
I don't want to think that, although we had a very tough training now. Wala naman kasing jet lag eh, di ba? Kasi same time zone kami. And then we had a couple of days rest before practicing on Monday. So, I feel talaga lang we started very slow today. But that's a good thing we're able to get it out of our system and get back to how we want to play.
Coach, I'm not sure kung natanong na, ano bang ginawa niyo sa China?
Nagano kami, we played a series of games. Tapos last week, yung 2 weeks kasi kami doon, yung first week, we played a series of games. And then yung second week, focused on training camp. So, we had a mini training camp. We played 2 university teams and 1 professional team. Yung first week. Yung SBS club team. CBA teams. Na wala namang import. Hindi naman import.
Professional team yun, the Chinese basketball.
Oo, yun. We wanted to play bigger, tougher players. So maganda naman yung experience namin.
Alright.